Hello, very good morning, student. I would like to give you a brief tutorial how to respond questions on a VLE quiz. There are two types of questions normally given on the VLE quiz. One is objective type, the other one is essay type. In case of objective type, there would be multi-choice or multiple single choice, or it can be true false, or can be any other objective types. But it is very easy for you to respond particularly the multiple choice questions using any devices. It can be mobile, or it can be your laptop, or can be desktop. However, in essay type, you need to be a little careful. You need a device that can take a picture so that you can submit your answer. That I'm going to talk a little more next time, but let us see how to respond multiple choice questions when teachers has given on the exam time. This is normally for the practice. I have prepared the sample questions, and I'll just show you how to attempt the questions. Many of you are well experienced about how to use these multiple choice questions and attempt and then see your own grade. Normally these multiple choice questions or the objective questions would be time bound. A time limit would be given for a number of questions to be attempted within that time. And within that time you will have an option to go back and then edit, all right, and then you can submit before time if you think that everything is okay. So here, why there are two attempts can be seen, the marks are seen, because I created here, at least people can attempt multiple times here because it is in practice. So for practice, we can have multiple times we can create, and then you can practice again and again and see your marks, and you can improve. This is normally used when your students check their progress of their learning during the lesson delivery, all right. But here, please keep in mind, this is one-time attempt. Final examinations, online examinations would be one-time attempt, so you will not get any options of re-attempt. Please look at here, re-attempt. There is no way of re-attempt here, so you will not be given to re-attempt if it is in the final exam. Please keep in mind, just one time re-attempt, all right. Here we have a two marks already, meaning the people are allowed to attempt number of times. So I still keep it these number of times people can attempt. You can re-attempt just now, all right. So in order to re-attempt, let's go in and see that how you can do it. So just click re-attempt and then start. I know my time, so I have to complete within my time. So I'm just clicking blindly. Okay, question number 1 I completed, question number 2 I completed. Just take it. You can look at here, look at here. There is the 2 questions has been attempted. I hope you are able to see it. The 2 questions, 1 is here, 2 is here, so you have completed. There is black and white, all right, and rest are completely white. That indicates that you have not attempted, so you have to understand in that line. So here I'm attempting to, okay, the next questions, then I say true and go to next questions. I click it this and then go to next. See there that the attempt that I have made. Now I'm left with 2 questions, inverted next, then I go to, I'm left with only 1 question. So okay, and finished my attempt. Now to make sure that I have completed here, I'm also informed here you have saved. You have already, do you like to return, go back and then return, go back to the same questions and then edit it, all right. You have an options. And do you like to submit? Even the date would be the date and the times are mentioned here. Just look at here, there is a day date and the time. So this is recorded on your VLE. So what you do is, I'm going for final submission, submit, and then it's asking me confirmations, so I say submit. Now I'm going to see my third submissions here, but in the examination, please keep in mind you will get only one time. So what I got just now is I got 12. See, initially I was on 8, in the second time I got 10, and then final attempt I got 12. But in your examinations you'll have the only one, and that is the final. Right? So that is what you have to keep in mind, and you can note your grade here, because this is an auto graded. I hope, student, this little video will help you to attempt the quiz and give a proper response, and then you will be able to follow all the direction given. Please don't get excited. Read the direction carefully and attempt the questions. Please note the final examinations. In the final examination, you will be given only one time attempt for objective type questions. I hope this will help you. Thank you very much.